Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Sound check, one. Sound check.
Jumbo Plastic
Hello,
Linoleum.
hello.
Gawang Pinoy,
Hello,
sikat
hello.
Pinoy.
Rinig mo ako?
Oo. Sound check, one, sound check. Sound check, one, sound check, sound check. Okay na?
Lakas pa.
Sound check,
Ayan
one,
na.
two.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. 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 Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Mabilis lang na direct.
Kahit ikaw lang ata yun.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
It's a gloomy day here in the heart of Manila. Welcome to what promises to be an epic showdown here at the sold-out and jam-packed Don Domingo UCHI Gymnasium. Charles Bichong here together with Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action for the Philippine Qingyan Athletic Association Season 11 Game 1 Finals. Brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. And now, let's turn it over to Mr. Gayares for our opening program. Tonight, this is not just about the game. It's about the stories, the dreams, and the heart that each player brings to the court. Picture the nerves, the anticipation, and the sheer determination as these teams face off in the Philippine Qingyin Athletic Association Finals Game 1. Settle in and let's share in the joy, the sweat, and the thrill of the game together. It's more than just basketball, Coach. It's a journey of passion and pride. Charles Bechong here, Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action of the much-awaited finals between MGC New Life Christian Academy and St. Stephen's High School.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's so electrifying, the intensity here in this afternoon at this Dong Domingo U Chu Gym here at Binondo. I wish everyone could feel this, could feel the intensity right now here inside.
And this will be finals game number 1. Youth versus experience. Alam naman natin itong MGC New Life Christian Academy, mga bata. Pero don't be deceived, kahit mga bata sila, they have achieved and they have earned their spot to be in this finals match. And for this St. Stephen's High School experience, a lot of them has more experience than this MGC New Life Christian Academy team. And now we are underway. The last time these two have battled each other in the elimination round, St. Stephen's won by just a point. 0.4 seconds na lang yung natitira doon, Coach.
It's a game winner for Cedric Ong that game. That pulot basket na ginawa niya doon that gave them that number 1 spot in this season.
Meanwhile, sablay ang tira doon ni Kenzo Bumanlag. And a turnover by New Life Christian Academy New Lifers. This is gonna be an electrifying match. Sold out, jam-packed crowd here in the Don Domingo UC Gymnasium. Now it's with the St. Stephen's High School's defendants. Brial Teng. Now to Rayala. Launches a three-pointer. That is no good. New Lifers are running. Yue. Three-pointer. That is not good. Now, Josh Ong against Trey Chua. Driving inside. Nothing there. Bola ngayon. Fighting for the ball. Itong si Josh Ong and si Carl Yue.
A good activity right there for Cedric Ong attacking the basket, but good defense right there by Trey Chua, keeping his hands high. At hindi natawagan ng referee doon. But the intensity of this game, Charles, talagang dalang-dala tayo dito with all the alumni are here, the students, the teachers, the principals, all the officials is ready for this game.
Now Sotinko. Pagka nasa kanya yung bola, Coach, immediate double eh. Kasi hindi siya kaya ng single coverage.
As you can see this wide body of Kurt Sotinko. Talagang problema ito na sino makakalaban itong batang to.
Yue picks up the ball. Three-pointer, top of the key, nothing there. Kenzo Bumanlag picks the leather.
A good shot right there by Adam. Ito yung tanong mo nga kanina, anong Adam yung lalabas sa game na to?
Oh. Still scoreless after almost 2 minutes of basketball. Now the New Lifers time. Setting up their offense. Adam Uy driving baseline, attacking, reverse, nothing. Now it's the Sefenians. Brial Teng stopping, popping. Kenzo Bumanlag is there, still scoreless after 2 whole minutes in this ball game.
So that's the first foul of Kurt Sotinko. Because si Coach Steven Tan, you're gonna give a high five para dito kay Bumanlag to keeping that ball alive. At hindi lang nakuha nila yung bola, may foul pa doon si Kurt on that sequence.
And now it's the Stefanians with the leather. Almost losing it. Brilteng 3. Yes! To open up this game, Brilteng hits a 3-pointer.
Good way to open this ball game or the scoring with a 3 points para dito kay Brilteng.
Meanwhile, Trey Chua, the unicorn for MGC New Life Christian Academy, scores his first 2 points.
What a drive right there by Trey Chua. Exposing yung defense itong St. Stephen. They letting that guy drive palagi doon sa short corner. Balik yung bola dito sa white shirt, sa floater para dito kay Bryle. Wala.
Adam Uy could not get that letter. The pass was too strong. Now it's with the Stephanians. 7:02 remaining here in the first. 3-2. Still our score. Brilteng now to Kenzo Bubanlag. Thought about it. Trey Chua watching him. Trey Chua blocking him. Ong with 12. Now to Joe. Brilteng. Jab step. And he is fouled on that 3-point attempt.
So that's gonna be 3 free throw para dito kay Brilteng. So that's the first foul of Adam Uy here in this ball game. So sub agad siya dito. Pasok dito si Maddox, taller defender na ilalagay nila dito. Kumbaga ito yung gonna be the one. So ilalagay nila dun sa 1-3, 1-2-2 or 1-3-1 defense nila. Yun ilalagay nila dito para mahirapan ito si Brilteng. So you don't want Brilteng to get this game as early in the first quarter.
But the question, Coach Joseph, is how will the Stephanians respond to their cramps? Lagi sila nagka-cramps, laging 3, 4 sa kanila pinupulikat at in the middle of the third quarter.
And it's going to be the adjustment of the coaching staff of Coach Steven Tan in the work of their PT like Ethan Cañazares. At talaga may ginawa din silang panibago. They approach the game differently. So dinagdagan nila itong kumbaga yung workout nila, strengthening their legs. And then on the mental side naman itong mga player, talagang alam mo yun, they gonna tell it to you na a part of that cramps is half of that is coming from the mental aspect of approaching the game. You should be relaxed. Some of the players, lalo na ito, finals na, sobrang tight kasi. So being tight, nag-iiba din yung laro mo.
Now Kenzo Bubanlag wants to get it to Joe. Lim. Now it's with Trey Chua on top of the key. Adam steps back. Jumper, nothing. Josh Ong on the attack against Trey Chua. Sidestep, step through. Kenzo Bubanlag. Yes! Para kay Kenzo Bubanlag.
Ang ganda ng ginagawa dito ni Cedric Ong. Binubuhat niya, dinadala niya yung buong St. Stephen sabay sa kanya. Yun ang mga kailangan dun eh. You need to dive deep so that the defense will collapse. Meron kang drop pass. And a good pass right there para kay Bumanlag. Rayala giving a body to Kurt Sotinco. Body check doon as early in the first quarter.
Well, you cannot blame Rayala for body checking Sotinco. He's a big and hefty guy. Now it's with Trey Chua dropping it. Inside. That is good for Tan.
Someone caught napping there at the middle. It's the second, probably the 4 points na dito si Adrian Tan. Talaga lahat ng puntos siya sa ilalim ng ring.
Bumanlag. Now it's with Brilteng. 12 seconds to work with. Rayala hands it off. Bumanlag on top of the key. Picked by Joe. Inside, Brilteng floater, nothing. Kurt Sotinco with the rebound. Trey Chua gets doubled. Rayala against him. Reverse layup, that is short. Bubanlag is running against Tan. Kanila pa rin ang bola. 10 seconds. Kenzo Bubanlag, natapikan. Carl Yue with the leather.
Kitang-kita mo dito yung game that St. Stephen wanted. They wanted a running game. Talagang every time they get that ball on the rebound, talaga itatakbo nila. Itatakbo ni Bumanlag, itatakbo ni Ong, itatakbo ni Bryle. Talaga kailangan mo lang dito kay St. Stephen. Sabayin mo to kung sino man nagdadala ng bola.
Now the score is 8-6. 4:18 remaining here in the first quarter. Bola nasa New Lifers. Tan sets the pick. Cheng, left three-pointer. Nothing there.
A good shot right there by Cheng, but a good challenge also by the white shirts.
Sam Nang with 12. Picked by Josh Ong. Pops and scores.
You need to fight those screens kung ikaw itong MGC. Hindi ka pwedeng magpatama na lang dun. This is the finals. Yun ang kailangan ng space ni Sam. A little bit of that space. You know that he could knock down those shots.
Cheng on the attack. Drops it off. Sidestep. And the foul is going to be called against Wang.
That's gonna be the second team foul of St. Stephen. Talaga binibigay din talaga ng St. Stephen itong baseline drive ito para dito sa MGC. They should yun ang kailangan mo dun. Yung help side itong St. Stephen. Talagang it must be there. Kasi kung hindi, talaga atakin kayo na atakin ito nila Maddox, nila Adam, ito nila Trey Chua.
Cheng with the offensive rebound and the putback to give his team a 2 points. Sam Nang grips through the middle, fires, bingo for Sam Nang.
Ulitin ko, hindi pwede magpa-screen. This is the finals. You need to fight for it.
Yue, now to Uy, driving inside, nothing there for Lim. Now the white shirts, directing traffic is Bryle Teng. Bryle Teng on the attack, drops it up to Cheng. And bola, mapupunta na naman sa St. Stephen's High School.
So this is the first time Jacoby Tan entering the court. Sub niya dito si Carly. We know Jacoby is the one who's gonna defend the guard. Alam naman natin itong ginawa ni Jacoby against Austin Ramos. So malamang ito din gagawin ito ni Jacoby. Babantayan niya dito si Bryle Teng.
And Dexter Wang commits a turnover. 3-second violation. Masyadong matagal sa kanyang bola doon sa loob ng paint. Great defense though for the New Lifers. Now it's their time to set their offense. Picked by Tan. Now on the attack. Kicks it out. Three-pointer. That is short. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Tan. Nothing there. 2 serving. Still not good for the New Lifers.
But a good defense right there by the white shirts. So kailangan talaga nila makontrol yung rebounding. Hindi talaga sila pwede magbigay ng offensive rebounds para dito. MGC Bumanlag on the 3. Cedric Ong, offensive rebound. Sam Nang again. A little bit of push-up, fade away. Wala.
Now it's the New Lifers with the rebound. They are trailing by 4. Tan gives it to Lim. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Lim drives inside, sidestep. That is good for Lim.
What a drive right there by Lim. Sidestepping move. Ibig sabihin talaga, that primary defender of St. Stephen, talaga kailangan niya tigasan doon. Speaking of kailangan tigasan, bantayan nyo na po ito. Sam Nang is on fire here in the first quarter.
They now trail by 5. 15-10 is our score. Tipsy do layup, no good for Uy. Sam Nang, Kenzo Bubanlag, left corner 3, that is short. Manila pa rin ang bola. Now it's with Kenzo Bubanlag, gives it to Ong, driving inside, kicking it out. Sam Nang, 3-pointer. Wanted to go back to back. New Lifers all the way is Tan for 2 points. It was a wide open lane.
Yan, sinasabi natin, yung points in the paint nitong MGC probably nasa 10 points na. Yes, freely, they could go straight to the basket.
Josh Ong, mid-range jumper, will not connect this time. Now Tan again bringing down the ball for the New Lifers. Uy, baseline attack, Josh Ong on him.
Ayun na naman tayo sa baseline attack.
1.4 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Still enough for a buzzer beater. Tan. That will... Oh! There's a foul. Tan will shoot 2 free throws.
With 1.4 seconds remaining, Bryle Teng committed a foul right there. So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Jacoby. Ngayon, titingnan ngayon ng referee kung may natira pa bang oras sa first quarter or wala na.
I'm not sure that's a smart move by Bryle Teng to foul Jacoby Tan with 1 second left. The score reads 15-2. Now Jacoby Tan can cut the lead to just 1 point. Now itong MGC New Life Christian Academy, they have youth, pero don't get me wrong, Coach Lucas Lo, Adrian Tanso, Tinko, Riley Yu, 14 under champions, so they have championship experience.
Tama ka dyan. Not like dito sa St. Stephen. They have all the seniors. Here, probably around 6 to 7 yung graduating players ito para kay Coach Steven Tan. Pero yung youth niya nandito sa MGC because they are the 14 and under champion in this season 11. Then nakakakuha na sila ng action dito like Lucas Lo and Sutinko. And then babalik pa doon next year itong sila Adam Uy. So talagang yung experience nasa St. Stephen pero sabi mo nga kumbaga youth talaga itong MGC.
And that will do it to end the first quarter. It's been these two teams trading punches against each other, and the score reads 15-13. We'll be back.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Now, let's talk about yung travel nitong MGC, yung torneo nila dito. They are 5-2. They won against Uno yung semifinals. That was a tough matchup, Coach. You covered it. Tell us more about what happened on that series.
Coming off a 2-week break, itong MGC didn't miss a cue during that semifinals game. Talagang they handled Uno so well. Kahit sabihin na natin mas malaki yung Uno, but they used their system para makontain itong sila Grant C and Austin Ramos. And they, here in the finals, alam naman natin, huling nag-champion itong MGC, season 4 pa. So talagang uhaw kung sa uhaw itong MGC.
Meanwhile, Sam Nang hits a mid-range jumper to extend the lead to 4 now. It's 17-13. Trey Chua been quiet. Yes! For Trey Chua.
So sagutan tayo ng 3 points to start of the second quarter.
Bryle Tang sets up his 3. Nothing there. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Now Kenzo Bubanlag driving inside. Floater. Trey Chua with an emphatic rebound. Now they're running. Trey Chua goes all the way. Nawala sa kanyang bola pero babalik sa kanila.
So this guy, probably standing 6'1", 6'2", itong si Trey Chua. Don't be deceived na akala mo big man to. This guy could play. He could bring down the ball, he could shoot, he could attack you anywhere from the floor. Totally complete player para dito kay Coach John Sia.
Now three-pointer, top of the key, nothing there. Let's go back to your thought, Coach. Trey Chua, 16 years old. Sky is the limit for this kid, Trey Chua. Oh my goodness. Ganyan kakatangkad, ganyan kakagaling, ganyan kapakabata.
Isa to sa babalik pa na player ni Coach John Sia. He's only a grade 11 student. So may isang taon pa na maglalaro to sa PCYAA. So gonna be more Trey Chua next year probably. Lalo na mawawala na yung Carl Yu eh. So madadagdagan itong role niya sa team nila.
Sam Nang, top of the arc 3. That is way to the left. Trey Chua with the leather. Takbo naman ngayon ang mga new lifers. Sotico sets the pick all the way. That shot was strong.
Carl Yu is still scoreless here in this game. And signature move niya yan, and stop and go in out.
Bryle Tang. Joel Kerr with the pick. He gets doubled. Kenzo Bubanlag with 7. Long three-pointer. Nothing there. Trey Chua with the basketball. Now one-on-one. Fast break situation. Nothing. Kenzo Bubanlag defended that very well.
Good defense right there by Bumandag. He didn't give up even though na 2 steps ahead na dun si Adam sa kanya.
Sam Nang's jumper. Is it good? Uy, running the fast break. Lefty layup. That is good for Yue.
Wrong foot, lefty layup para dun kay Carl Yue.
Now they lead by 1. 18-17 is our score. MGC New Lifers. Nagkaroon sila ng mini 6-0 run doon, Coach.
So this is the first time MGC got the lead. So itong dalawang team na to, hindi sanay naghahabol tong dalawang team. Kumbaga, buong game nila sa elimination. Usually they start the game right. Anyway, this is the 1 and 2 team here in the season 11. O talagang kung sino makakasimula ng maganda dito, you gotta have a great chance winning this game 1.
Sam Nang's three-pointer in and out. Yue almost losing it. Now they have the leads. 18-17, kicking it out. Lim wants to drop it off to Sotico. Great defense being shown by these two teams. No one giving an inch.
Better defense right there for the white shirts, defending the baseline drive. Kailangan mo talaga mag-collapse eh. Alam mo naman, if you're driving on the left side, you need to react on the other side kasi yun naman talaga possible pass nun.
Now Hans Gamboa is inside. Still, score 18-17. Labang pa rin po ang MGC New Lifers. Bryle Tang. It's to Andre Philip Chan. Their streaky shooter. Kakapasok lang pero turnover. At bola mapupunta sa MGC New Life Christian Academy.
But before that, one of the assistant coach of MG was called for a warning for a sent into a call. O talagang the second quarter pa lang, pwede mo na talaga makuha yung edge sa referee. Gagawin mo na sa coach. Kasi alam naman natin, talagang hindi ka pwede magpabaya dito. So, traveling right there for Adam Uy. Balik yung bola dito sa white shirts.
And we would not be surprised, Coach, if this game will go down the line. Kung gaano kaganda yung pinapakitang depensa nitong dalawa. Ibang klase, nothing we've ever seen. Now Andre Chan with 12 seconds. Ryle Teng, nothing there. Medyo nai-inlove tong Stephanians sa 3-pointers, Coach, no?
Well, knowing the zone defense, itong MGC is so tight. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng pintuan dito, sarado, barado. So yun talaga pwede mong makuha ang tira. So mapipilita ka talaga kung ikaw St. Stephen. Pero as a Stephanians, kailangan you have that confidence to take those shots. Hindi pwedeng yun na lang, kasi yun na lang option mo. Kailangan mo maging confidence, tirahin talaga yun.
Now, Uy's 3-pointers and air ball. Ngayon, bola mapupunta sa St. Stephen's High School Stephanians. Still, almost 2 minutes without a score. Itong dalawang kupunan natin. First quarter pa nung huling nakascore. Itong St. Stephen's High School.
Pansin mo dito, both team love to play zone.
Oo.
Talagang walang nagpo-full court press dito sa dalawang team na to. Yun naman yung strength nitong dalawang team na to. Their zone defense. So another turnover right there for the white shirts. And a good intention by Chan. A drop pass to Cedric Ong, but Cedric is not ready for that pass. So balik dito si Angel at saka ito si Kenzo bumanlag. Upo muna dito si Sam Nang. We're having a good start ito si Sam. Probably a quick breather for him. Babalik yan agad dito ni Coach Steven Tan.
5:53 remaining. 1-point game. Lim on the left corner. Yue wanted to attack. Shuts off nicely. Lim 3-pointer. Bodies on the floor. It speaks how much these teams want to win, Coach. Every loose ball, every 50-50 ball, asahan mo, merong nasa lapag.
Sinabihan ko na kanina ng mga mapper natin, it's gonna be a long days for you guys. Sabi ko talagang iba yung labanan ngayon dito because this is the finals.
And a timeout has been called by MGC New Life Christian Academy with 5:40 remaining. 18-17 is our score. New Lifers by 1.
Tampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sinu-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
Tampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sinu-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
.540 remaining here in the first quarter.
So you can see on the screen, Coach Ju, Andrew of PCC, and Ma'am Yoliko of Chiang Kai-shek College enjoying the game.
1-point lead para sa New Lifers. 17-18 is our score. 5:40 remaining. Ngayon, bola ng New Lifers. Surprisingly, Trey Chua is not on the court right now.
Tingnan natin dito kung anong play na ginawa ni Coach John Sia.
Lim. Libre na siya doon. He wanted to go all the way. Basket and the foul for Lim.
What a drive right there by Lim. Tama sinabi mo, he could have take that shot. It's an open shot for him, but he decided to drive it anyway. And naka-bonus pa siya dito. He had a chance to finish a 3-point play para dito kay Sean Lim, and hit it.
Now they lead by 3.
So it's going to be the largest lead of MGC New Lifers here in this finals. It's going to be a 4-point lead for them as early here in the second quarter with 5 minutes and 33 seconds left. Sabi nga natin, wala pa nagpo-full court press dito. Pero ito, si Lucas Lo, nakabang na dito kay Bryle Teng. Sinusundo dito sa taas. Kumbaga, mas mataas lang na zone. Pressure, defense, binibigay nila dito. Kay Bryle.
Bumanlag, 3-0. Pinapek ang bola. Lucas Lo against Bryle Teng. Goes all the way. Yes!
What a finish right there by Lucas. Absorbing a contact to Bryle Teng.
Sam Nang in and out. Joel Kerr with the rebound and he's fouled. He will shoot 2 free throws.
Good shot right there by Sam Nang.
Oo.
Talagang pagkuha, hindi niya binabado. And it's a quick release for him. Dumila lang yung bola, pero the ball chooses to go out. A good thing that Kay was there to clean up the mess, but he needs to take care of his free throw.
First free throw is a miss for Joel Kay. We can say na free throws are gonna be a big factor today, Coach.
Sabi nga natin, walang lalayo sa team na to. So every basket na binibigay sa'yo should take it.
Lim gives it. Tan is fouled.
Good movement right there by the New Lifers. Attacking the 2-3 zone of St. Stephen High School. Every time the ball reaches on the elbow extension, and I think gonna hit those guys in the middle. So yung kasi magko-collapse.
And a turnover. No. Natapik pala yun ni Josh Ong. But they have 10 seconds on the shot clock. New Lifers with the leather. Lucas Lo, top of the arc, 3-pointer off iron. Now it's with Sam Nang. Bryle Teng against Lucas Lo, picked by Joel Kay. 14 seconds, a lot of time on their shot clock. Steal! And they finish it. Lim with an defense to offense rather.
What a play right there by Maddox Lim, playing the passing lane. Wow, look at this kid. Cedric Ong not giving up against 3 green shirts. Getting offensive rebound and a basket para doon kay Cedric.
Talk about upper body strength for Cedric Ong. Now Lucas Lo on the attack. Shuts off nicely. They now have 10 seconds. 5. And the intensity of this game, you just gotta love it, Coach.
Yes. Ang sarap mag-cover ng ganitong klaseng game. It's not only the finals, but the 2 coaches also came out prepared here in the finals. So it's gonna be a penalty para dito sa MGC. So balik dito sa free throw line itong si Bryle Teng. Try to trim down the lead into 4. So it's timeout tayo dito sa St. Stephen.
Timeout by St. Stephen's. 3:29-25. 19 is our score. MGC by 6.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And we're back. Brian Teng shooting 2 free throws. Now on your screens, Miss Yoli Ko, Chiang Kai-shek College Sports Director.
So that's the 7 point of Brian Teng here in this ball game. He started hot in the first quarter, getting 6 points, pero miscue siya doon. The last probably 1.4 seconds in the ball game, naka-foul pa siya doon to end of the first quarter. Pero may chance pa naman siya bumawi dito. It's only the second quarter here in the finals.
Yue. Now with 8. Great defense by the Sifenians. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Tan with the pick. Pulls it up. Joel Ke with the rebound.
Ito yung sinasabi natin na sinusundo ito si Brian Teng ang depensa sa taas. They don't want Brian Teng to set up the offense para dito sa white shirts. So another 3 seconds violation para dito sa St. Stephen.
Now Sotinko is checking back in. Medyo tahimik patong si Kurt Sotinko. Wala pa siyang naiaambag in terms of scoring for his team.
Pero hindi. Yung binibigay niya para dito sa MGC, hindi na kailan umiscore, but that intimidation underneath the basket talagang sapat na para ma-alter yung some of the shots itong mga St. Stephen.
Tan, 3-pointer, that's way to the right. Sotinko with an emphatic rebound against 2. Top of the arc. That is short. Battle for the rebound. And they are now in the penalty. Sam Nang shooting 2 free throws again for his 11th point. Pagka naipasok niya itong dalawa.
So again, nakita nyo dun gaano kahirap itong St. Stephen to get that rebound because Kurt Sotinko is back in the ball game. He's using his wide body, boxing out every white shirts na nakikita niya.
Now Sam Nang draining that first free throw with a chance to cut this lead to 2 points. 25-23 with 2 minutes remaining here in the first half. Lim. Now it's Dan. Adam Uy, yes! For Adam Uy, his first 2 points here in this ball game.
That one dribble jumper of Adam Uy is pure.
Josh Ong kicking it out to Bubanlag with 10. 1:33 remaining here in the first half of the game 1 of the finals. Adam Uy wants to go back-to-back. Josh Ong was there for the rebound. Now it's 3-on-2 fast break. Josh Ong takes it all the way. He is frustrated. He is frustrated.
So another foul para dito kay Sotinko. Josh Ong doing the right thing. At kailangan mo takbuhin yan. Kailangan hindi mag-settle muna itong depensa, itong MGC. Kailangan nilang sumabay sa inyo sa takbuhan because pag magkakatakbuhan, you have the advantage to Kurt Sotinko. So, punta dito sa free throw line itong si Josh. Again, they have the chance to cut down the lead into 2 to end this quarter.
Now Josh Ong only has 2 points but 8 rebounds, coach. Wow. All in the first half. (27-25), 1:15 remaining here in the second quarter. Lim. Pick by Ko. Muntik pang mawala sa kanila ang bola. 1:03 remaining, 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Sabi nga natin, hindi pa nagpo-full court press itong St. Stephen. So I don't see them anytime soon na gagawin nila yon because they're far more comfortable playing zone defense. Ito na ulit sila, tumatakbo. And another foul para dito.
And it looks like Brian Teng is hurt. But a good thing, nakabalik agad siya. Might be floor burns. Pero wala yan. Kumbaga, kay Brian Teng, ipapagpag lang niya yan.
So natukod niya doon nung bumagsak siya.
Oo.
It's an awkward fall for him right there. So dito mo makikita yan. And the free throw line. Yun na nga. Medyo masakit pa nga.
Pero gas-gas lang yan para kay Brian Teng. We know what he is capable of. He's got 10 points already. Papalitan niya dito si Joel Ke.
One of the graduating seniors para dito kay Coach Steven Tan, itong si Brian Teng. This is also the batch that got the 13 and under championship on the PCYEA. Kaya ito rin batch nila, napaka-solid nito. And dito rin sila sa finals with the 18 and under division, trying to bring the first ever championship crown sa Masangkay.
Great defense by St. Stephen's High School. Yun nga lang, with 7 seconds remaining in the shot clock, they fouled. So wala rin yung disiplina mo sa pagdepensa, coach, kung pa-foul ka lang din sa huli.
Exactly. They're playing good defense right there. Pero actually, the offense na hindi pa nga pa-atake dun eh. Pero the temptation na sumundot, you're just giving the referee a chance to call you for a foul.
Lucas Law. Wow! One of the smallest guys on the floor, Lucas Law, already has 5 points.
It's not only the smallest but also one of the youngest player na naglalaro dito sa finals.
Meanwhile, Sam Nang answers back with a 2 of his own. Last 10 seconds of the first half. Lucas Law, picked by Gamboa, decides not to use it. Law, kala ko papasok, coach. And that will do it for the first half. Both teams not giving an inch to each other. Only a 1-point ball game. 29-28 is our score. We'll be back after this halftime break.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. 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 Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your...
We're still live here at the Don Domingo UC Gymnasium for the Game 1 of the PCYAA Season 11 Finals. Brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Charles Bechong here, Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action. Now, Coach, tell us what happened in the first half.
We had the stats right here. In the Pigos department, 8 to 35 with 22% para dito sa St. Stephen. 13 to 38 with 34% naman dito sa MGC. Pero very contrasting dito, yung points in the paint. Itong MGC, they have 20 to 4 against dito sa St. Stephen. Pero naman nakabawi yung St. Stephen dito on their free throw department with 10 to 13 with 2 on 3 lang itong MGC. Kaya lang naman nakahabol yung St. Stephen as late on the second quarter because the MGC was on the penalty and nakapitalize doon ng St. Stephen. Itong penalty na yun. And they go to the free throw line. Dahan-dahan nila na habol yun. At natapos yung second quarter that only MGC up by 1. No, balik tayo dito sa third quarter. It's gonna be a totally different story para dito sa dalawang team na to. Sabi ko nga sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, it's gonna be the breaks of the game. ang mangyayari dito kung sino mananalo sa dalawang team na to. Walang lalamang na malaki, wala rin naman magpapadnabak na malaki. Since the both team that's all wanted to win this game 1.
That is the start of the third quarter, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Ngayon, lamang pa rin ang MGC New Life Christian Academy, 31-30. Now, Trey Chua is back in the ball game. Buong second quarter, umupo siya, coach. Now, Trey Chua against Rayala, kicking it out. Uy, splitting the defense, dropping it off. Yes!
What a drive by Carl Yue right there. Give credit to him, driving so deep. At inabot niya na lang yung bola doon para kay Tan. And Tan finish it.
Josh Ong looking for a teammate. Now it's with Kenzo Bumanlag. Kenzo with 8. Stops, pops, score for Kenzo Bumanlag.
Good defense but better offense right there for Kelso Bumanlag.
Yue on the attack. Uy for 3. That is strong. St. Stephen's High School rather, with a chance to tie or take the lead rather. Joe, now it's with Ong. So Tico with a steal, Yue on the attack, gives it to Tan. Trey Chua with 16, a lot of time on their shot clock. Trey Chua only with 3 points so far. 8 seconds. They have to do something. Naagawan doon. Kenzo Bumanlag all the way. No one there to guard him on that play.
And the lead is back to the Violets. After a long while right there, at start of the second quarter until to the end, talagang inawakan ito ng MGC. Nakabalik sila dito because of that fast break attempts. Isa din yan sa nag-iba sa laro dito ng St. Stephen on the last semifinals game against St. Jude. Hindi nila magawa yun. Hindi nila kaya takbuhin itong St. Jude. Pero this time, as early as the first quarter, Cedric, Bryle, Sam, and look at that block by Carl Yue against Angel Zo. But Bryle telling Angel, it's okay, that's gonna be a part of the game. Keep your head up. Bola pa rin naman natin.
Access denied, says Carl Yue. Now Kenzo Bumanlag. Now to Josh Ong with 11. Teng, three-pointer. Kurt Sotico. Emphatic rebound. Big body on the floor for Coach John Sia.
I remind you guys, this is only a 14 and under division. Itong si Kurt, so probably 3 to 4 more years itong lalaro itong batang to. So, dami pang rebound, marami pang katawan mababox out itong si Kurt Sotinco sa liga natin.
Yue on the attack. Wanted to kick it out. Trey Chua was there. Now he takes a 3. Rayala bringing down the ball. Josh against Yue. Traveling violation. Itatawag kay Bryle Teng.
That's the first traveling of Bryle Teng. Tanda ko the game 2 of the semifinals against St. Jude's, natawagan niyan 3 straight traveling or 3 straight turnovers. And sabi niya, yun nagpa-off sa kanya doon. Kumbaga, every time you commit a turnover, bumabagsak din talaga yung confidence mo eh. Knowing that at a very crucial game, 3 straight ka pa, you need to take care of the ball pretty well here, the finals. Balik yung bola dito sa green shirts, keeping the ball alive, yung si Kurt Sotinco.
Now 8 seconds to work with. Uy, on the attack, nothing there. Bola ngayon, takbo ang mga nakaputi. Josh Ong against Trey Chua. Not this time. Now it's Adam Uy against Rayala. One-on-one. That is, he gets fouled.
So Real is telling the
Free
referee
throws.
that he just put it arms up. Pero titingnan mo kasi yung kung sino unang tumalon. On that sequence, probably the referee saw that Adam jumped first. So yung mangyari doon, parang ikaw yung bumangga sa
Oo.
ere. So blocking foul yung tinawag para dito kay Real. It's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Adam Uy.
Well, talking about MGC New Lifers, coach, they have a deeper bench than St. Stephen's High School. So that is a luxury for Coach John Sia.
Yun naman ito yung nasa bench pa ni Coach John Sia. Itong si Maddox, yung mga shock troopers siya, itong si Jacoby and Lucas. Nandiyan pa si Nathan. Nakaantabay lang, a reserve bigs, also a banger for them. And they also have that Gamboa. Nasa bench pa niya. Ito naman na ikutan ng tao dito ni Coach Steven Tan. Itong si Sam Nang coming off the bench. You know, kung meron tayo 6 man of the year, balabang ito yung mananalo. Itong si Sam
sigurado.
Nang.
Sam Nang, great energy guy for Coach Steven Tan. Now, Bubanlag takes the three-pointer. Kurt Sutinko, no one there to box him out. Now it's Trey Chua against Bubanlag. Three-pointer. That is strong. Now Brian Teng on the attack. Stops, pops, and scores.
That's a must-have for every point guard. That stop and pop on the elbow. So hindi mo makukuha yan kung hindi mo iniinsayo. Napakasimple tingnan sa game, pero yung practice hours, yung ihuhugol mo dun to get that. Wow! Speaking of get that, look at this kid, Kurt Sutinko fighting underneath the ring.
Flex on them, young fella. Flex on them. Kurt Sutinko, a big, hefty, and lefty 14-year-old doing the damages inside the paint. Wala na sa kanya yung bola, coach eh. Tinapik niya na lang. Kumbaga sumugal na siya doon. He gambled on that reach in. Good thing. Napunta sa kanila. Nabigay pa sa kanila. Nakuha pa niya yung bola. And then foul counted. But that is the problem of Kurt Sutinko. The free throws. Kenzo Bumanlag. Now Brian Teng, a three-pointer, wanted to answer. But gang rebounding ang pinapakita nitong New Lifers. Yue on the attack, sidestep, that is good for Yue.
What a drive there by Carl Yue. Kitang-kita natin dito, every transition na tawak ni Carl, he's gonna go drive that ball deep. That time wala lang siyang mapapasahan, but he decided to do that side step. And a good finish for him right there. A pass to Joel Ke. He's not ready for that pass.
Oh,
Good intention right there by Sam Nang. Takbo na ulit dito, tong green shirts.
missed there by Lim. Now white shirts are running. They don't have the numbers. Short ang tira doon ni Sam Nang. Now it's Brian Teng with 12. Picked by Joel Ke. Kenzo Bumanlag is open. In and out. Kurt Sutinko with the rebound.
Good shot right there by Bumanlag. Pero both team is struggling with the three-point line.
Trey Chua. Still quiet here. Yue. Offensive rebounds. Nothing on that putback. 39-36, 2:55 remaining. Sam Nang to Kenzo Bumanlag on the attack against Tan. Fakes. Now it's Sam Nang. Wants to drive middle. Yes! That is a patented move for Sam Nang.
Jumper is pure para dito kay Sam Nang on that baseline drive. And a good screen right there para Angel Zo.
Trey Chua, that's his second three-pointer. 6 points for Trey Chua.
a breather para dito sa New Lifers. A 4-point lead and 2 minutes left in the third quarter. Sasagot dito, Sam nang wala. Takbo dito yung green shirts.
Trey Chua again. Crossover, step back. Galing ng depensa nito ni Sam Nang. Tan on the attack. Kurt Sotinko could not get it for his team. Final 2 minutes of the third quarter. 42-30, it is our score. 4-point lead for the New Lifers. Still, everybody's ball game. Etong Stephanians still within striking distance.
So balik dito si Josh Ong. So, tingnan natin dito, how will he capitalize na wala si Kurt Sotinko sa floor?
And a steal by the New Lifers. Chua, now it's with Lim. Pull-up jumper is no good. Now it's the white shirts. Sam Nang, Joel Kempik. Wow, that's his 17th point.
What shot again by Sam Nang. Using a screen. Yan sinasabi natin kanina. That separeo, that screen. Ilang yung kailangan niya. But that is their problem. That offensive rebound na binabalik nila yung bola dito sa MGC. Now Cheng on the side step.
Wow!
Oh no, sorry.
Trey Chua
That's Chua right there.
with a sensational move to give his team a 4-point lead with 40 seconds remaining here in the third. Sam Nang kicking it out. Trey Chua with a steal. A 3-on-1 fast break. He will go all the way. At nawala pa yung sapatos dun ni Sam Nang. The crowd is loving it. MGC up by 6. They can have the last shot right now. Josh Ong. Traveling violation.
Kung kanina in the second quarter, their problem is they on the penalty. Now, in the third quarter, they didn't commit a single foul. That's why they are up here by 6.
Now 6 seconds remaining. Enough for a play. A quick play. Now they can extend the lead to 9. 46-40. New Lifers ball. Now the time is running. Lucas Law almost losing it. 2 seconds. That is good! For Lim.
I think the referee should check it. Now they're gonna talk in the middle kung pasok ba yun. So it's a basket.
And they now lead by 8 at the end of third. The score is 48-40, lead by MGC.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And on your screens is the shirt na laging dala-dala itong MGC New Lifers. Gab is a warrior. What it says, it is about their fallen teammate, Gab Gamboa, brother of Hans. Before this league started, passed away. So every game they play it for Gab Gamboa. That's why every game, andyan lagi yung t-shirt na yan, Gab is a warrior. Now at the end of third, the score is 48-40. Lamang ang MGC. Start of the fourth quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Charles Bichong here. Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action. They get the offensive rebound. Ryle Teng shut off. Joe hits first 2 points.
So now, a good offensive rebound right there by St. Stephen High School, keeping the ball alive. Unfortunate events for them to end the third quarter, giving Sean Lim that basket. Now they're facing an 8-point lead to start the fourth. Ito na nga, 6 na nga lang, pero babalik dito sa free throw line. Itong si Lucas Law. And shooting 2 free throw.
Lucas David Law now with 4 points and 1 rebound. He already surpassed his averages, 1.7 points and 2 rebounds per game. So this is a magic bunot for Coach John Sia.
I talked to him kanina before the game. So how does it feel to play here on the 18 and under? Kasi alam naman natin, experience itong batang to. They play in the championship already in the 14 and under. Pero sabi ko, it's a different animal, yung different intensity, and different crowd, itong 18 and under. Sabi niya, he's excited playing here. So he's living, it's just a sponge. It's just a sponge. Ina-absorb niya lang lahat ng experience makukuha niya dito.
And a warning for improper bench decorum is given to the MGC bench. And a technical. Ayun na.
So it's gonna be a technical para dito sa MGC New Lifers. Coaching staff, alam naman natin, as early in the second quarter kanina, na warningan na to. I don't know, probably sa pagtayo ng coaches or continuous complaining. Pero sabi nga natin, this is the finals, the intensity of the players. Talagang minsan kailangan din magsisimula sa coach yan. Pag makikita ng players that their coach is fighting for them, they're gonna fight also for this game.
That is a wake-up call for the New Lifers. Now Bryle Teng is shooting the technical free throw. They still trail by 6, 48-42 at the start of the fourth quarter. Now they only trail by 5.
So batiin lang natin, pinapabati ni Coach Randy yung wife niya na nanonood ngayon. Ma'am Daryl Sena. So enjoy watching there. Mga live natin. And sa lahat na nanonood din. So all the alumni, mga former players na nanonood dito sa mga teams na to. The game 2 will be on Saturday. So it's gonna be a more jam-packed crowd here in Uno Gym this coming Saturday. A drive by Josh Ong right there. Another no call.
Now Dan is on the attack. Gives it to Sean Lim. Spins. Tough shot. And bodies again on the floor. This is what you love about finals basketball, coach. Parang laging do or die.
Kasi yun na nga, every possession counts para dito sa mga players na to.
I wanted to greet my friend also watching here, Simon M. Nase. Now it's with Lim. Oh, sorry, turnover for the New Lifers.
A good defense right there by Stefanians, forcing a turnover. Yun ang kailangan nila dito. They need stops. Di sila pwede makipagsabayan lang sa scoring ito sa MGC because they're trailing the 6 with 8 minutes left here. Brailteng,
Wow!
his own version of sidestep para dito kay Brailteng.
Beautiful move for Brailteng. Now on your screens, Mr. Yul Servo, the Vice Mayor of the City of Manila, now in attendance watching.
Vice Mayor is wearing a violet shirt. So let's confirm that if his alumni or just supporting the St. Stephen High School. So, alam naman natin dito, nahati itong venue natin into a sea of green and a sea of violet.
And remember, this is a sold-out event. This is not just a game, this is history. Spectacle for the Chinoy basketball fans. Now Yue crossover, kicking it out. Adam Uy, three-pointer. That is good for Adam Uy. They now lead by 7. Sam Nang wants to answer with a 3 of his own. Angel with the rebound.
Good shot right there by Sam Nang. Yan sinasabi natin. Hindi ka pwedeng tumira dahil yan lang available shots. Every shot you gotta take it with confidence.
Trey Chua dropping a defender and scoring 3 points. They now lead by 10 with 7:41 remaining here in the 4th and final quarter. Trey Chua doing what he does best. All of his points, or most of his points, coming from the 3 points. Now the score is 55-45. MGC is still in the lead.
Kampo si Babes, di ko daw sa sinu-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapapost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
A 10-point lead for the MGC New Life Christian Academy, New Lifers. 55-45 is our score with 7:41 remaining. And on your screens, the lovely fans in attendance for their respective teams. Yung nga sabi mo kanina, Coach, a sea of green and a sea of purple on each side. And on your screens again, Mr. Yul Servo, the Vice Mayor of the City of Manila, supporting St. Stephen's High School.
Now, pambasag lang ni Coach John with a full court press. Coming off a timeout. Binigyan na ng 1-2-1-1 press dito. Now, Josh Ong muscling his way to the basket. They badly needed that basket para dito sa St. Stephen.
He now has 8 points and 11 rebounds. Now it's a man-to-man defense for the St. Stephen's High School, and a charging foul, offensive foul, is gonna be called against Carl Yue.
This is the first time St. Stephen High School changed their defense into man-to-man. So, usually as a coach, talagang ina-adjust mo rin yung depensa. Kailangan mo rin higpitan pag naghahabol ka. Hindi ka rin pwede talaga mag-settle into your zone pag naghahabol ka, lalo na it's only in the 4th quarter with 7 minutes left. Kung pwede mong baguhin, kumbaga, pwede mong basagin man lang yung rhythm ng kalaban by changing your defense, gawin mo na.
Kenzo Bumanlag's 3, that is short. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Driving baseline. He gets doubled. He is fouled and he will shoot 2 free throws. Kenzo Bumanlag only scoring 6 points so far. Kind of a cold night for him.
Sean Lim was telling the ref it's all ball. Pero kung hindi man mabibigay sa kanya yung foul doon, probably mabibigay yung foul kay Ko doon. It's gonna be a blocking foul. So, yun na nga. Punta dito sa free throw line si Bumanlag. A chance for him to cut down the lead into 6 again here in the fourth quarter.
And they get the possession back. Kenzo Bumanlag with 10 seconds. Now it's with Brian Teng. Picked by Joel. Sam Lang's 3. Yue with an emphatic rebound.
Napatigil sa hininga doon. Ito nga mga taga-MGC. That's an open shot right there for Sam Nang. Hindi na lang di pumasok.
Adam Uy all the way. That's good for Adam Uy. He had no angle on that shot.
A little bit of English para doon kay Adam Uy. And a block para dito kay Trey Chua at the back. We're attacking Josh Ong. Ito na nga yung depensa dito ng St. Stephen. Tingnan natin dito. Anong adjustment din ibibigay ni Coach John Sia on the man-to-man defense. Itong St. Stephen, again, Adam, a fake to Brian Teng, a jumper, and a basket para dito kay Adam Uy.
He is flexing right now. They lead by 11. 5:38 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. And it looks like MGC New Lifers have control here in this ball game. They're playing great defense. But quickly, Sam Nang
The
cuts
smooth
lead to 9.
operator. Itong St. Stephen High School, itong si Sam Nang. This is only a 9-point lead.
Uy, again. Too much English on that one. But Yue is there to clean it up. He is fouled. He will shoot 2 free throws.
Carl Yue gonna go to the line. So balik dito si Kurt Sutinko. Kita mo dito itong height nitong MGC with Kurt Sutinko, Trey, and Maddox, Lim. Talaga probably nasa 5'11" to 6 itong mga players na to ni Coach John Sia.
Yue missing the second free throw. Now they still lead by 10. 5 minutes exactly here in the fourth and final quarter. It's winning time for these two teams. Bumanlag is open. Thought about it. Floater. Bumanlag off the glass. It is good for Kenzo Bumanlag.
That his go-to shot. Itong si Kenzo Bumanlag. A one dribble floater using the board. Ilang beses ko na nakikita yan dito sa PCYAA.
Trey Chua wanted to drop it off to Sotinko, pero napakialaman yon ni Joel K.
Kung nakasubaybay ka dito sa Season 11 natin sa PCYAA, this MGC team, nakailang collapse na to sa fourth quarter. So titingnan natin ngayon dito, paano sila mag-mature going to the finals, having this lead. Wow, look at the activity of Kurt Sutinko right there.
2 servings, still not good for Kurt Sutinko. Now Brian Teng wants to challenge him. Adjusting midair. Nothing there. Now it's Adam Uy. Decides to wait for teammates. Trey Chua, he is open. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Picked by Kurt. And an offensive foul, a clear one. Happened in front of the referees.
So it's a moving screen by Kurt Sutinko. But that's only his third team. That's his third personal foul. So laban na dito si Coach John Sia. And he was bothered with that foul. Kaya labas-pasok siya dito sa game natin.
Brian Teng, picked by Josh Ong. Kenzo Bumanlag, wild shot. Pero kuha pa rin ni Josh Ong yung bola. Agawan sila ngayon ni Sotinko. Ang hirap nga naman talaga, coach, na kaagawan mo sa bola si Sotinko.
Talagang hindi mo man may bibigay sa kanya, wag mo na lang talagang bitawan.
Oo.
You're gonna wait for the referee to call for that jump ball. Yun na lang talaga yung ginawa ni Josh Ong there.
And a timeout has been called by Coach Steven Tan to talk things over. The score is 60-52. MGC still in the lead.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
.37 left here in the fourth quarter. 8-point lead for the MGC New Life Christian Academy New Lifers. Charles Bechong here. Coach Joseph Gino bringing you the action for the PCYAA Season 11 Game 1 of the finals. It's been one hell of a game, Coach Joseph. Pero ito mukhang slowly pulling away itong New Lifers.
Kita mo dito sa crowd natin, the Sea of Green is enjoying this 8-point lead. Paglipat naman dito ng camera on the violet shirts, talagang the concern on their faces.
Sam Nang's three, that is short. Yue with the rebound, ahead to Uy, against two defenders, that is good for Uy. They now lead by 10, Josh Ong attacking. Kenzo Bumanlag thought about it. Bryle Teng for three, that is way to the right. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Pero natapikan siya doon at nasipa ni Adam Uy. And it seems like Carl Yu is hurt on the side.
Parang nataman dito sa bodega ito si Carlo eh. Parang kita mo dito na parang nawalan siya ng hangin.
Oo.
Ayaw sa boxing niya parang na bodega or nakidnipan siya dito. When Sam Nang attack. Tumama doon. Same play they use. Coming off that timeout, that elevator screen. Another block.
Great
And
defense.
another block. Para dito. Takbo dito. Adam Uy. And a foul by Sam Nang.
From defense to offense, the MGC New Life Christian Academy doing the necessary things to capture this game, one of the finals. From defense to offense, both sides of the court, they are all over the place.
Look at the
Now,
frustration on the face of Bryle Teng. He cannot buy a basket for the past 2 minutes.
and another timeout has been called by Coach Steven Tan. They now trail by 12, 64-52.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
.51 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. We're still live here at the Don Domingo UC Gymnasium para sa ating Game 1 of the finals ng PCYAA Season 11. Charles Bechong here, Coach Joseph Gino bringing you the action. We're live on Smart Sports and PCYAA TV. The
So,
Stephanians trailing by 12 points.
Coming off a timeout, Yun na nga, pambasag itong press itong ng MGC. But Braille Teng using the board late here to the fourth quarter.
The bank is open after 5 o'clock for Brian Teng.
Minsan yun yung kailangan mo. Kailangan mo lang ulit makita na pumasok yung bola sa ring. For you to, kailangan mo pa rin maniwala with the time left. Ang haba pa niyan.
To get your rhythm going, no, Coach Chow. So Tinko inside, force in the paint for Kurt Sutinko. And we are approaching the last 2 minutes of this ball game. Stephanians trailing by 11, 66-55. Takbo na naman ngayon. Uy, sidestep. That's too strong. Battle for the rebound. And the foul is going to be called against Adam Uy. That's Carl Yue rather, who's going to be called for a foul. 1:55 remaining. It is winning time for the New Lifers. Josh Ong on the attack. Gets through 3 New Lifers.
Yan ang kailangan nila. They don't want to be passive in the press of MGC. They need to attack it right away.
Great passing by the New Lifers. Sablay nga lang yung tira nila doon. But they get the ball back. Now it's with Yue. 1:29 remaining. 9-point game. A steal by Josh Ong. And he drops it off to Brian Teng. At ito, mapapatawag na ng timeout si Coach John Sia with 1:20 remaining. 66-59. Timeout. Coach John Sia and the New Lifers.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
$1:20 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. The score is 66-59. 7-point lead for the MGC New Lifers. Now, ito naman, may trap naman ngayon itong Stephanians. This is the first time.
We all know that they adjusted the defense already into man-to-man, pero this time, they trap full court, forcing Adam to force that shot. Takbo na ulit dito si Brian Teng. You need to be hairy right here.
1:04 remaining. Sablay ang tira doon ni Sam ng Kurt Sutinko. Has the leather. Battle for the loose ball. Itong dalawang kupunan. And the ball will go.
So it's gonna be the 8 seconds violation para dito sa MGC. So balik yung bola dito sa white shirts.
This is still manageable, Coach.
Yes,
7
it is.
50.5 seconds. What should the Stephanians do?
It's gonna be 14 seconds here for them. It's gonna be a quick basket. Hindi na din pwede nilang mamadaliin.
Kailangan ba tres, Coach?
No. Haba pa nito. 50 seconds. Mga 2 to 3 possession pa yan. Kailangan mo lang muna talagang ma-sure itong possession. It's a very vital for them here. Kasi or else, imimilk na ng MGC yung bola. Game reset tayo dito. 1 timeout left para dito sa MGC. Both teams on the penalty. Wala na pong timeout dito si Coach Steven tsaka itong St. Stephen.
Final 50 seconds of the game. Brian Teng successfully inbounds it. Now he shoots a three-pointer. Nothing. Josh Ong commits the turnover.
So good attempt right there. Sam Nang give up that ball. Papunta dito kay Brian Teng.
40 seconds remaining. And the foul is called against the Stephanians. 38.5 seconds remaining.
So it's gonna be a foul for Kenzo Bumanlag. That's his third foul. Pero ito na nga, it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Tan. Yun naman talaga gusto mo mangyari every time you press. Either they're gonna hurt that shot or gonna force them into turnover and you could run the ball.
Now Tan can ice this game with 38.5 seconds remaining. Is this the dagger? No, pero may line violation siya doon. At bola mapupunta sa St. Stephen's High School Stephanians. 67-59 is our score, 37.5 seconds. So, 8-point lead. Now it's time for the new lifers to play defense. Brian Teng, three-pointer. That is short. Sam Nang tries another. And the rebound by Tan. Ahead of the pack is Yue. But a steal by Kenzo Bumanlag. Sam Nang. Brian Teng's shot is good. And 11 seconds left here in the ball game. 5-point lead. 67-62.
Tingnan natin dito. Una mong titingnan kung saan i-inbound ni Coach John Sia yung bola. I think they're gonna inbound it on the front court. So wala na pong shot clock na matitira dito. Now, titingnan mo rin kung ikaw naman dito yung St. Stephen, wala ka na ibang gagawin dyan. Kundi you go first for a quick steal. Pag hindi, quick foul. So it's gonna be a quick double. Aabangan mo dito yung bantay ng inbounder. Usually yung kasi tatakbo. Usually yung kasi yung doubler. Pag inbound, you're gonna go for that quick double. You're gonna try to rotate that man. Force for a steal. Pag wala, quick foul. Yun ang kailangan lang natin. No silly fouls na mangyayari dito. Just only a game 1. Kung ikaw dito, St. Stephen, di mo pwedeng alam mo yun, minsan yung frustration foul, pag nakatama ka, aangat pa yan into unsportsmanlike foul. Yun yung iiwasan natin dito. Kung ikaw ito, St. Stephen.
Bola ngayon ng MGC New Life Christian Academy, New Lifers. 11.9 seconds remaining here in the fourth. 5-point lead for the guys in green. What will they do?
It's a man-to-man defense itong St. Stephen. So the referee was telling this Brian and Adam.
Trey Chua playing the passer. Oh! And they lose the ball. 9 seconds. And that will do it.
So it's
What happened?
it's gonna be a technical. Tingnan natin kung sinong na-technical dito. The referee's pointing to the side of MGC. Oh, it's gonna be a free throw for St. Stephen. So it's gonna be a technical for the coaches, I think. Itong MGC.
Let's wait for the official verdict.
So it's gonna be free throw para dito kay Brian Teng. And titingnan natin kung plus ball possession ba to.
3.5 seconds. Bola ng New Lifers. Lamang pa rin sila dito ng 4. 3.5 seconds remaining. If you're St. Stephen's, what should you do? They have these 3 seconds have to be perfect in order for a comeback. And that will do it. Game 1 belongs to MGC New Life Christian Academy. The score is 67-63 and the game ended in fashion. St. Stephen's High School really tried their best to be within striking distance, but the firepower of Trey Chua, Sortinko, Adam Uy, and the rest of their team prevails. This is for Gab Gamboa. And they now take game 1 of the finals. They will meet each other again on Saturday, 5:30 p.m. Trey Chua and Trey Chua, our best player of the game. Ito, tignan natin yung second game of this best of 3 series. It's gonna be on Saturday. Dito pa rin yan sa Uno Gym, 5:30 p.m. And the New Lifers take game 1 of the series. One more game to the promised land. And now, the best player of the game, Trey Chua, having 15 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 assists. What a game. He only scored 3 points in the first quarter, but he went off during those next 3. And that will do it for the game 1 of this finals. For Coach Joseph Guino and the rest of the hardworking crew, this is Charles Beichong bringing you the action of the PCYAA Season 11 Finals, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.